Hi everyone, my name's Rob Portman and I'm the Combine Product Manager for CLAAS UK. What I want to do is I want to show you some new innovations we've got for 2026 around our new LEXION range. So for 2026 we have new entry-level 8500 models. The 8500 is 549 horsepower and still based in that wide-body format. We also then have the 86 and the 8700 models, both taking the MAN D38 engine. Now the 8600 has increased separation over previous years, so more grates underneath our rotors with additional rotor speed as well. The 86 also takes additional horsepower, taking us just shy up to 600 horsepower. The 8700, however, has also increased in horsepower. That's taken us up to around about 650 horsepower. So therefore we have a 50 horsepower gap between all of our LEXION 8000 models, all of which take in the MAN engine unit. The 8600 for 2026 will also now take a larger standard grain tank at 15,000 litres, whereas the 8700, we have the option to specify up to 18,000 litres, which for this size of model in this segment is the largest. But it's not just performance increases we have around the machine, we also have some new parts in the cab in and around the machine itself. So let's go and take a look. So at the rear of the machine, we can see there's some new aesthetic choices. We can see the new LED taillights on the rear of all LEXION product, and we can also see for 2026 new LED beacons surrounding the machine as well. So you join me at the top of the machine now, and here you can see the new MAN D38 units for our LEXION 8600 and 8700 machines as well. So again, the 8600 having that power increase from 549 to 598, and the 8700 that we see here increasing from 625 horsepower to 646 horsepower. So as standard, all of our combine engines at CLAAS have dynamic power fitted. Now what dynamic power means for us as the operator is the dynamic power system is going to look at our engine load, and if we are using or not using engine load, the engine is going to rate itself differently when it comes to power. So again, if I may be in a light crop within the UK, light crop of spring barley as an example, and I'm not using all my engine load, the power rating itself will bring itself down. This in turn for us will save additional fuel as it's based off the power maps that we have of the engine itself. So for 2026, we also now have some new cab features within both our LEXION and Trion ranges. So you can see we have additional storage cubby holes to my left and also to my rear. We also have new LED lighting from the top of the roof. We have new storage trays, and we also have a new in-cab pistol. So allowing operators to clean the cab throughout the season very, very easily. So for this coming year, we also, for both LEXION and Trion, have new Apple CarPlay and Android Auto radio options. You can see it located up here on the right-hand side. So currently, I'm in my phone mode, but if I want to access, for example, my Apple CarPlay, all I need to do is use the touchscreen, and that takes me straight through to any of my Apple CarPlay features. As well as this, it is also in conjunction with our gooseneck microphone, so for much clearer phone conversations, and also a radio and music subwoofer located behind the main seat itself. The Apple CarPlay is fully integrated, and that is all done from the right-hand side column here, where I can adjust the volume like so. So thanks for listening. I hope you've enjoyed our updates on both Trion and LEXION for 2026. Lots of new and exciting technology and lots of new and exciting performance changes for us. If you have any questions, of course, please contact your local dealer, and we'll see you again soon.